I'm so excited to show you how to make peanut sauce. Are you guys ready? First, I'm going to fry the peanut in hot corn oil. I'm using red skin peanut. Cook them probably about 2 or 3 minutes. It's ready now. After blending the peanuts, this is the result. Look thick and smooth. If you don't like spicy, you can use red bell peppers. Now I'm going to blend chili, candlenut, and then fresh shallots. Pour everything in the pan. Salt, white sugar, tamarind, palm sugar. After 30 minutes, the peanut sauce is ready. Now I can't wait to taste it. It's delicious and so good. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please like, subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye.